Hello, my name is Lena and welcome back to my channel. So I was a exchange student this last year in Berlin, Germany with the CBYX, the Congress Bundestag Youth Exchange Program, and sadly my exchange year has cut short, but I have one video from before I left that I filmed, and that is this video, and it is having Germans try what I call real American brownies. So in Germany they do have box brownies, and the box brownies are more of like cake brownies, and when I was asking my friends have they ever had fudge brownies before, and fudge brownies were always what my family and I always bought, so I found a recipe and I learned how to bake them, and then I decided to have my friends try them, and this is what this video is. So it's a little baking vlog and also a Germans try American brownies. So I'm back. We picked up some eggs, or Eier, some sugar, or it's also called Zucker here, some flour, but that's milk, some chocolate, and then lastly some butter. Okay, so first I need to look in my kitchen to go. That's for my exchange organization. So it's an American recipe, so it needs to be 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's around 177. And my host family is a present for Christmas. I got little measuring cups, so I'll be using that today to measure out my ingredients. So I need them with melted chocolate, so I put some more bars of chocolate from this in there, and then I need to find a half a cup of butter from this. And in the meantime, I need to add 1 cup of sugar. So they don't really have vanilla extract here, so what I use is vanilla, and it works just the same. I'm going to do about half of this, and then I'll use the other half for the other batch. So I set it into the oven, and now I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna set a timer for about 30 minutes, but I doubled the recipe, so then it's a little bit thicker and a little bit bigger for the container that I have, and then we'll see how long it takes. I'll end up telling in the end.
Okay, so das ist Martha. Martha, was denkst du mit meinen amerikanischen Brownies? Gut ist, okay, sehr gut. Ist das anders als Deutsch Brownies?
Ja, die sind cremiger,
Ja.
fluffiger als die Brownies hier in Deutschland, ja.
Danke, Martha.
Ja, also der Brownie schmeckt sehr gut. Der schmeckt sehr schokoladig und ja, top,
Okay.
top.
Und das ist Paul.
Oh, perfect.
Okay, ist das lecker oder nicht?
Richtig lecker, perfekt.
Okay, danke, danke.
Oh, voll lecker. Ja, wirklich voll lecker.
Mmh.
Lecker. Schmeckt besser als die Deutschen. Ja.
So good!
Danke, ist es gut?
Ja,
Okay.
sehr lecker.
Dankeschön.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and auf Wiedersehen!